Today, as we cut this ribbon, we're not just opening a building, we're launching ideas, features, and possibilities we can't even imagine yet. Thank you all for being here, and welcome to the future of engineering at our school.
What happens when students are given the space to build, test, and lead? On January 23rd, 2026, a ribbon-cutting ceremony marked the opening of Westview High School's new engineering building in San Diego, California. The space is home to the Westview Integrative Movement Sciences team and their current project, Prepare to Play, which studies athletic motion and performance. We spoke with faculty, team members, and students to learn more.
What's really important about MC is kids thinking about integrated movement sciences, and a way to do that is bring it into the high school and where kids are learning about physics and engineering and math and science.
When we look at how the students come up with the projects and you see how they collaborate and the intensity and the level of skills that they're bringing into a project, it's so impressive and inspiring.
This project in general was to get video streams of athletes from different angles so that we could get their vector overlays, so we could get their resultant vectors, so we can see where their force is and where they're applying force, and also see how their center of mass shifts over their different movements.
What we've done is been able to round up equipment and things for the kids to really develop and create a portable biomechanics learning arena. We have force plates. They build a platform around the force plates. They're able to collect their own force and high-speed video during movements that are of interest to them.
What really drew me to this project was that I was also playing badminton at the time, and I really needed help on improvement. So this really opened my eyes to to integrate STEM and also sports as well.
My favorite thing about working on this project was actually seeing these improvements as I'm working on the code that does it for me, and then actually being able to translate it to real-world surfing.
It's really cool to see athletes and people who are just as passionate about different things come into this program and see what we do.
It's always learning alongside the students and giving them the opportunities to develop these innovations and solutions to these really hard problems. That's what's super exciting.
Want to learn more about integrative movement sciences? Visit us at cims.uci.edu.